spotted a single underground ore on this planet.
Mm-hmm. I'm noticing this.
That's going to be interesting.
Yeah.
What did you do?
He put all the ore on the
Honestly,
other planet.
wasted. I don't actually know how I managed to do that. If, in fact, I
Literally
have done
shifted,
that.
sucked all of the ore via gravity out of this planet to the other one.
Something
Yes.
like that.
It seems like it.
We'll go with that.
The spicy
Physics.
the fun thing about that though is it means we kind of have to well steal stuff if we run out.
Ooh, that's
Okay,
quite
so we
a
want them
drop-off to the
to shoot
left.
us.
Yeah, we want to shoot them down and harvest their cobalt.
Oh, okay.
Mmm. Juicy cobalt.
Wasted. I think this was the direction you were telling me to go to get into this valley down here.
Seems perilous.
I think.
Seems dark.
That was like 3 weeks ago. I can't remember.
There we go. That should get him. That should get him out.
What? They could
Except I
hit us
can't
with a
type.
bomb.
I think you meant couldn't.
Oh my gosh. Maybe I shouldn't be the one doing this.
I mean, they could hit.
Wow.